today I will present my digital recreational mathematics kit, which is the fraction art mission. So in this presentation, I will demonstrate how to use the kit and most importantly, justify the pedagogical choices and recreational math elements that I have integrated into this kit. The problem we often face as educators is many Year 3 students sees mathematics, especially fraction, as something that is abstract, difficult and not fun. So this can lead to math anxiety. My solution is to apply the philosophy of recreational mathematics, which reframe math as a play. So this kit will integrate the A for art into the STEM, making and creating a STEAM project that align with the curriculums of making math more accessible and engaging. Before I demonstrate the kit, I must justify this kit based on the pedagogical capacity of deep learning (PDCL) as required in this assignment. First of all, engagement. This is the core of the kit. It's a game, not a textbook. The student become an art detective, which is far more engaging than a textbook. Second one is enhancement. The digital technology, which is I use generally websites, enhance learning. Students get instant, which is correct or wrong feedback, which is impossible in a paper worksheet. This immediate feedback loop is proven to deepen understanding. The third one is expansion. This assignment mentions sharing on YouTube, and this presentation will be on YouTube. But the kit itself, the generally link can be shared globally, allowing any students to play and any teacher to give feedback, creating a global learning opportunity. The fourth one is communication. This kit communicates its goal clearly through simple text, visual instructions and interactive buttons. The last one is creativity. This entire kit is an exercise in creativity. This kit is designed for Year 3 students, focusing on the topic 3.1 fractions. Now, the main goal for this assignment was to integrate recreational mathematics into this game. Before I start, what is recreational math? Recreational math is about making fun. It's not just a worksheet, but it's a game or a puzzle, or it focuses on discovery and logical thinking. My kit is built in Genially websites. The students is an art detective for this mission. This immediately set up that the first recreational element, which is narrative context. The student isn't just doing the fractions, but they are solving a mystery and saving the art. So as you can see on the main menu, it has the title, the fraction art missions. So here there is a 4 mission. The student can choose which mission it want to start first. Let's say the student want to start with the mission 1. Okay, the mission 1, the mosaic restoration. The instruction here says that this mosaic has 8 tiles in total. Exactly 3/8 should be red. So the students need to click which tile is red color. It should be 3/8 tiles. Let's say. So it immediately shows that the tile is not red color and immediately shows that this is a wrong tile. So let's say we click on the correct one. It says that you found 1/8. So 2/8 is left in the red color for this tile. So this mission 1 exactly shows 3/8, which is the fraction 3/8 should be 3 of the tiles must be red and the other one is not red. It can be said as 3/8. So this is a perfect example of a visual puzzle. This is not just a calculation task, but it is a recreational logic task. The student is using visual reasoning and pattern recognition which is the key elements of recreational mathematics, and to find the right answer. It will sport a correct one game, which is much more engaging. So now, let's move to the mission 2. For mission 2, this is the equivalence structure. The instruction says that click on the fraction pieces that are equivalent to 1/2. Let's say the students press this one. 3/4 is not equivalent and try again. So the students need to click on the correct one, which is, so the students can know that 1/2 is equivalent to the 1/2. And let's say this one. 2/4 also equivalent to 1/2. So in this mission, the students can know which fraction is equivalent or equal to 1/2. The key element here is discovery and exploration. This is a risk-free environment, which is the students is encouraged to be curious. The click and discover mechanic is recreational. The student is not afraid to be wrong, which is they are playing with the ideas and discovering the rule for themselves, which is much more powerful than just being told the rule. Now let's move to the mission 3. The mission 3, which is magical color mixing. Here, the instruction is an artist wants to mix a purple paint, so he needs 2/10 of red paint and 5/10 of blue paint. What is the total fraction of paint he has now? So the student must add 2/10 and 5/10. So after add, the student can choose the correct answer. Example, 7/10. This is the correct answer. This is the element of problem solving with a narrative text. I'm not just asking what is 2/10 plus 5/10, but I have created a story. Help the artist. This transforms a simple calculation into a problem that needs to be solved. The student's motivation is now intrinsic, which is they want to help the artist. This is much more higher level of engagement. Okay, now let's move to the mission 4. Mission 4 is cleaning the painting. The instruction says that this painting is covered in dirty fractions. A clean fraction is one of it in simplest form. Click on the quiz to clean the painting. It means here the students need to find the fraction that is in simplest form. It is simplest form means it is a clean fraction. So look at the fraction 2/4. Is this fraction clean? Means it in its simplest form. 2/4 is actually can be simplified into 1/2. So it is not into simplest form. The student just need to press the correct answer, and the students can immediately know which is the answer is correct or not. Let's say here 3/9 is actually can still be simplified, so it's not in simplest form. But when the students press through, it can know that the answer is false. So, the recreational element, which is first of all, this mission is a pure logic puzzle. The students must use logical reasoning and deduction to find the answer. Their thought process is, first of all, the rule is clean, means simplest form. Second one, the fraction is 2/4. Can 2/4 be simplified? Yes, it can be divided into 2. Therefore, 2/4 is not in its simplest form, therefore it is not clean. So, the answer for the question is this glitch must be false. This is much more advanced thinking skill than just memorizing. The student is acting like a true detective, using rules and logic to solve the puzzle. This is the heart of recreational mathematics. In conclusion, this fraction admission kit successfully meets all the requirements of the task. It is a digital product that integrates art and recreational mathematics to make fraction engaging and more understandable. It is justified by the PDCL framework and it is designed to be used in a real classroom setting. On my personal level, this project has been a valuable learning experience. My appreciation for the power of technology in education has grown. I learned that gamification is not just about points, but it's about using narrative, logic, and discovery to create intrinsic motivation. It taught me to think like a learner. It taught me to think like a learning designer, not just a student. My interpersonal skills were also challenged as I had to learn to communicate my ideas through a digital interface, ensuring that 9-year-old students could understand my instructions without me being there. I am committed to use this principle, which is recreational math, STEAM, and student-centered technology in my future career as a teacher. So, this concludes my presentation, and I hope this demonstration has been clear and effectively showcased my commitment and understanding of the task. That's all for me. Thank you.